After registering a new domain name, you must verify that you own it via email. If you don't, the domain will be temporarily suspended, and it won't connect to your site. If this happens, there are steps you can take to fix it. First, open your domain's dashboard. Then click the domain name. If your domain is suspended, you'll see a red warning message. To fix this, you'll need to verify your domain ownership via email. Check your email inbox for an email prompting you to verify or validate your domain ownership. This email will come from customercare@squarespace.com, no-reply@squarespace.com, or no-reply@emailverification.info. Click the link in the email to unsuspend your domain. If this doesn't work on your computer, try doing this on your mobile device, as some email providers may modify the link in the button. You can also click the link in the domain's dashboard to resend this email. If you didn't receive the email, check your email spam folder. If you can't find it, you can update the email address on file for the domain and resend it. In the domain's dashboard, click Edit in the Registration Information panel. Check or edit the email address, then click Save. Click Resend Verification Email to send the email again. If this doesn't work, try a different email address. If these options don't work, visit our guide link in the description to learn more and contact our team. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.